Alright, so what I'm trying to do today is cut some firewood, get some firewood for fire, and also cut some trees down to create some openings in the forest canopy to allow for some pine trees I'm going to plant to grow. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to try to get some trees down to create sunlight on the property line because there's houses going up and I want to create some privacy around here. Alright, so I'll show you the house that's going up. Right over there. I've already been working at it. Got quite a bit of firewood here. Alright, well I ran out of gas, so I'll come back tomorrow probably and finish this up. Now I gotta move all the, pile up all the wood and get all the branches in a pile too. See, there's a busy road over there that you can probably hear. I'm gonna try to clean some of that up. I already got some pine trees over by the road started, but they don't have much light, so they're not growing very well. So I'll just keep on keeping on. Alright, so it's the next day. Lovely out here. Sun is shining brightly. Hopefully not too brightly to blow my face out. But yeah, it's really sunny and nice, but we'll get out there now. First I gotta go sharpen my chainsaw, get that ready, get it fueled up, sharpened up. And then we'll head on out there, get the rest of that firewood chopped up, stacked up, and then hopefully get around to planting those pine trees that I want to plant along the property line. It'll help the environment out a lot, I think. Be good for the wildlife. It'll be good for the deer. It'll create browse for the deer, for the rabbits, for the birds. One of the type of pines. It's not really a pine. It's a juniper. It's a eastern red cedar that I'm planting out there. It is of the juniper family, Juniperius or whatever. But it's called the eastern red cedar. It has a little berry that the birds eat, and they like to roost up in the limbs of it. And I'll probably get some white pine and plant that out there also. So it'll be better all the way around for everybody, and it'll block some of the noise from the road. That's one of the other things I wanted to do, is get those pines in there. In the summer it's not so bad because the leaves are out there, but in the winter, like now, it's just horrible. So get some pines in there, and then over the winter they will hopefully suppress that traffic, the road noise. So I'll get over to the barn, get it sharpened up, and we'll get out there. Alright, so I got about 4 trees planted. Showed you one on camera. I got a bunch more to do. More cutting to do also. But that'll do it for this video. Maybe I'll come back in 10 years and show you guys how big these trees have gotten since then, but most likely not. So anyway, thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.